What's up guys, in this small video I'm going to show you how to turn your Word document into a PDF file. So without further ado, let's start the video. So go to Finder, go to any file that ends in docx. So if I go on this, okay, I'm going to open this and then I'm going to go to File, Save As. And now I need to click on PDF. Probably save this as desktop. Yep. Now do save. There you go. Close this down, close that down. Do that. Open that up. There you go. Okay guys, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.